Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP loops for and for each. So first let's take a look for loop. What is for loop? So it is again used for loops and we can repeat the block to specified times. So if we know how many times we want to loop through, then we can use this for loop. So here is the syntax for loop. For init counter, so from where you want to start. Test counter means how many times you want to loop, and increment counter, so how you want to increase the value, increase by 1, increase by 2, like that. So first let me create a file, loop. After for we will see for each, and I'm going to copy this code block. Okay, let me copy this whole file and remove this thing, and also remove this thing. Now let's try to use for loop. So init counter. So first let's take a variable x equal to 0, means start from 0, and variable is x. Then how many times? So x $x less than equal to 10. That means start from 0 to 10. Increment the value by 1. So x plus plus. So this will increase the value by 1 after iterating single time. Now we will echo this li. $x. So how this code works? So it start a loop from x equal to 0. So first time it will be 0, then it will increase by 1 because we are specifying increase it by 1 only. You can increase by 2, 3, whatever you want, but we are increasing one time. Later I will show you how you can increase it by other numbers. So it will loop through 10 times. Whenever x's value is 10, at that time it will stop iterating the loop. Now let's try to execute this. So as you can see, it started from 0 to 10, and if I start this with 1, so it will be 1 to 10. Now if you want to increase the value by 2, you mean you want to have 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. So it's like you have to add this like this, x plus equal to 2, and as you can see, now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there. So this x plus equal to 2 is similar to like this. It's a short form of this. So this is the for loop, And now let's see for each loop. So for each loop is specially used for array only. So whenever you have array and you want to iterate all the elements of the array, you we have to use for each. It's the best practice because for each is made for array only, and you don't need to specify the limit like this. Whatever the array, whatever numbers of elements in the array, it will iterate automatically that times. So here is the syntax for each. It's a array as value, and you can have the code in that. You don't need to specify how many times increment, how long you want to execute. So now let me remove this. Let's skip this UL, and now let's define our array. We will take an array of games. So let's say, yeah, ignore the spelling mistake if there is any. So we have defined this array for games, and now we will use this for each loop for this. So first element is the array, and we have defined this games as an array. So this is the game, and here you can give whatever name of the value. So I'm going to give this game. So this is games, which has the array of all the games, and this is a game variable I have defined. So now this for each loop will iterate all these elements, and this variable has this value. So now if I echo this value, so first time it executes, a game value will be cricket, and then football, and so on. So let's execute this file, and as you can see, we have this all the games printed. You can check the key as well. All the values are pair of key and value in the array. So if we don't specify the key, it will start from 0 to whatever the number it is. So let's try to print key as well. So it will be 1 0 1 2 3 because we haven't specified anything. Now let's say if you want to make a key value pair in the array like this. So now I have specified key in the array. So now this key will hold this value and value will hold this value. Sorry. So as you can see, I have added C for cricket, F for football, H for hockey, B for baseball. So yeah, this is how for each works. No need to specify any limit, just loop through the array. Yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.